The concept and implementation of the right to self-determination is well known in the history of Europe and the world. The citizens of stateless nations have often used this right to democratically express their will and to take responsibility for their own future. This is self-determination. Exercising this right can lead to many different outcomes. All democratic options, from integration within a state to full political independence and creation of new states. Essentially, self-determination means a people have the right to determine their own future. The right to define and choose their own political status, the form of the constitution or government, and the form of economic, cultural, and social development. The right to self-determination is one of the fundamental principles of international law, recognized as a right which belongs to peoples, not to states or governments. The Article 1, Paragraph 1 of the Charter of the United Nations, the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, and the International Covenant on Economic, Social and Cultural Rights state that all peoples have the right of self-determination. By virtue of that right, they freely determine their political status and freely pursue their economic, social and cultural development. This means enjoyment of human rights and fundamental freedoms, be they civil, political, economic, social or cultural, can only be reached if the right or self-determination is respected. Self-determination is an absolute democratic right which completes and guarantees the implementation of human rights. The importance lies in the right to choose, the right to decide. The European Free Alliance stands for human rights, the right to decide upon your own future, the universal right to self-determination, stronger regions and stateless nations in Europe. A Europe of the peoples. The European Free Alliance stands for another Europe. And you?